Hi, I'm Ben from Telex Hearing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to maintain and clean your Oticon behind the ear hearing aids. Firstly, they're a single component device with the body of the hearing aid behind the ear and tubing that runs down into the ear. There are two types of fittings in the ear that you may have. One being a dome fixture, a generic dome in the ear, or a custom mold fitting in the ear. Firstly, I'll show you how to clean the generic dome fitting. We need to remove the dome by grabbing the bottom end and pulling. This will reveal the open end of the tube. You can then simply grab the top of the tube near the main body of the device and pull, which will disconnect. This leaves you simply with the tube. You can now grab one of your thin tube cleaners and run this through the tube, starting from the top down to the bottom where the dome connects. This will clear any debris that has gotten past the dome and into the tube, pulling that red stick the whole way through. You can throw this way. You would now fit the dome back to the tube and connect the tubing to the top of the hearing aid, simply by pushing in, which you'll hear it click. The tube should run vertical with the main body of the device. To maintain and clean your device with a molded fixture, you have a filter located on the end of the custom mold, which you're able to clean by using the filters provided by your hearing care professional. You're able to remove the filter by grabbing one of these tabs out, which has a new filter loaded and a tool on the other side to remove the old one. By pressing the tool down into the old filter on the mold and removing, you will remove the old filter, and then pushing the new one down into the mold fixture. If this has not resolved the issue and the device is still blocked, you can remove the mold simply by pulling the tube and mold apart, and again removing the top of the tube from the body of the device, and again running one of our red sticks through the tube from top to bottom, the top being where the tube connects to the body of the hearing aid, and the bottom being where the tube connects into the mold. Run it all the way through and pull the stick all the way out. This has now cleared the tube for any blockages, and you can now push the tubing back into the mold simply by pressing it in, as it's a grommet fixture, and simply clicking the tubing onto the top of the hearing aid with a firm press. And that device is now clear. You should also monitor the microphone ports. There are 3 located on the body of the device, on the back and on the top sides. And you can use a small brush and run over those microphone ports with the brush to ensure there's no wax or debris in those microphone ports. This is the same process for the molded fitting device and a generic fitting dome, as the body of the device is the same. And that is how you maintain and clean your Oticon behind the ear hearing devices.